Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Marin Ravitz and I'm a part-time forex trader and a mentor here at Forex Twin Traders, helping many people. Actually, there's 49 members inside of the Forex Twin Traders trading community. Alright guys, but before we start, I would like to invite you to free Forex Foundations mini course. It's actually a 5 videos, really the core, the basics each trader needs to know. You simply click on the video and you get your free course and join to 321 traders to this course. Okay, so here's also the pop-up link which you can click. Okay, otherwise you can check out our paid programs, very advanced price action swing trading courses, and there's also the verified track record. And also at the end, if you like trading with EMAs, you can get your free ebook. You simply click right here and you are directed to the 3 ways how to trade with moving averages into a range, trend reversals, and you also get a free bonus for MT4. It's a multi-chart package. You can have like 20 charts on one single screen. You simply click the link down in the description, you write a name, email, and you are ready to go. Okay, so let's now continue with the video. So the purpose of this video is actually to share and explain to you what actually led me to my trading success. So today we will go through 5 actually secrets and the ways which lead me to become a profitable and successful trader. Okay, so firstly, you have to understand that it doesn't mean in order to be profitable trader that you have to be a full-time trader. Okay, so this is a common mistake. Okay, so you can be a part-time trader, you can have a job, you can have a family, you can have a business, you can have your regular way of life and still trade. Okay, you have to be aware of that. And once I've dropped, and this is the first secret, once I've dropped the desire, the obsession to become a full-time trader, then my actual trading performance started to improve. Okay, there was a substantial improvement. Why? Because I've lowered my expectations. I put down the pressure for myself. Okay, so this is the first tip. The second tip is simplifying my trading strategy over and over again. So I can explain in that way. So when you have a certain strategy, you tend to overcomplicate it over the period of time. Okay, you would add another indicator, you add another filter, another rule, you do that. But one of the reasons why I've break through that is that I always return back to the basics. I always return back to pure price action, to really raw trading. Okay, removing the indicators, removing the rules, trusting my gut, trusting my experience, trusting my feeling. Okay, so that really led me to ups. That actually led me through ups and downs more smoothly. Okay, so oversimplifying and constant simplifying of your trading strategy. So you have to ask yourself, so what can I do to simplify my trading strategy? Okay, the third thing is that I did not, this will surprise you guys, and stay with me guys, I did not journal a lot at all. Okay, so many traders and mentors are explaining that journaling is a key to trading success. And to some degree, this is true. If you're very techy, if you're very geeky, if you're a very analytical person. But our traders here at Forex Twin Traders, they're somehow intuitive. They're somehow common sense trading. Okay, there's something different in our trading community. Okay. And the reason for that is because I'm that kind of a trader and I attract this kind of a type of trader. So if you're more sensitive, if you're more intuitive, if you're more if you trust to your gut feeling, then journaling may not appeal to you. Okay, at some point of time, it is important that you journal. Okay, but what actually gave me success is actual trading. Okay, so at first I started with on a 1 minute and 5 minute time frame trading, and that gave me a lot of experience. So I actually, there was no need to monitor the trade. I mean to journal the trades, because I actually understood why the certain setup is working, why the strategies which we use, so the three combo strategy, the wealthy trader program, and the weekly trader course and or the program are working. Why we understand and know why these strategies work. Okay, so the patterns are repeating during the history. So we simply have to find the patterns and master it. Okay, so this is the third thing. So I did not focus so much on journaling, but on instead of that, on actual trading. Okay, I put myself in action. I did not put myself into the what if, what was happening then, if I would know that. I was fully present, executing the setup day in, day out, and that's it. Okay, it's a different approach, I know. The fourth thing is also a surprising one, is that I did not do a lot of backtesting. Okay, so there are many ways of backtesting, and I may do a video about that, but one of the common ways is that you go into a forex tester or any kind of a program, you go step by step, you press space, 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 and you would and you trade as it is a real time. And I was doing that for like 1 month, 1 month and a half. I mean, it is more than average trader does, but still, I do not consider as doing it a lot compared to the length of my trading career. I did not put focus on backtesting. Okay, I simply observed. When I see like setup working for 10-15 times, that's enough for me. Okay, in a different conditions. Okay, so I've developed strategies very quickly in my trading career, and but the polishment and the modification, then this lasted this you need experience. For that you need experience. Okay, but to find the proper setup, it was never a problem for me. Okay, so what's important here is that you do not get stuck into the backtesting. Okay, do not get stuck into that. Okay, because when you're in real life time for real trading, live trading, it's much different. It is much different. It is much different. It is not the simulated trading is never the same as the real one. Okay, and you probably agree with me about that. But when the real money is in stake, you act completely differently, no matter what's the rules, what's that, it's on the long run, you're acting differently. Okay, so this is what led me to another thing, is that do not overrule yourself. Do not be too strict with your trading. Okay, do not be too strict. Be flexible, be open. Okay, use your common sense. This is very important. Okay, so these were the 4 secrets to success, my personal secrets, because they're actually the gems which actually lead me, if I look back like 6-7 years back, what actually made me the profitable trader. These are some of the things, but here is the last, and I was talking about that, but here's the bonus secret, is that I was always, like 95% of time I was treating, when I was still trading demo, I treated demo as a real account. Very, very, very important. Because when a trader treats a demo account with full respect, like not like going on a, let's say, $1,000 account, like going one lot in, no matter what, it's just a demo. Okay, this tells a lot about the maturity and the attitude about trader. Okay, so if you force yourself to trade on a demo account with full respect, with full risk management, with full control, this gives you a huge advantage over others, an opportunity to actually, and a chance to actually become a profitable forex trader. Okay, and the reason for that is because when you treat a demo with full respect, okay, it's much easier to be disciplined on a small live account. So you make a progression much smoother. Okay, so I always advise to new members that to new traders to start like 3 to 6 months on a demo until you see some consistency. You don't have to make like 3, 4, 5% profit each month. Just if you make 1% profit, then 0.5% profit, then 0%, and then 1% once again, then 0.1%, minus 1%, that there's some consistency, that you're feeling the flow. You will feel that consistency within yourself, okay? And then you you found small live trading account, okay? Then you go like 3 months, 6 months, okay? Then you're facing some crisis. Then you go through it 1 year, year and a half, 2 years. Then you top up your account. You're slowly growing. You're slowly growing that account. Okay, so this is the natural path, guys. Okay, and if you would like to have support in this trading journey, because it is a journey. It's actually the journey. Okay. And if you'd like to have a support, a mentoring, a guidance, a members which will hug you and embrace you when you will experience any kind of a difficulties in training, you're very welcome to join to our programs. It can be a three combo strategy course. It can be a wealthy trader program or weekly trader course or program. It really doesn't matter. Just ask yourself whether you are prepared to make a leap, to make a jump, to improve your trading. And we're approaching to the last month. We're actually in the last month of the year. So it is really a good time to think about what you're going to do in 2020 related to your trading. Okay, are you still going to jump from a video to video, from a next ebook to a next ebook, from the next free course to the next free course, or you're really going to join to a verified mentor or a group and really do something with your trading? Okay, are you prepared to move to the next level, or you're still somewhere in between? It's really up to you. Okay, it doesn't have to be Forest Swing Traders. It can be any other mentor. Just make sure that they have a verified track record, my fixed book verified accounts, and that they're honest and credible. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you're willing to join, there are links down below. If you're not ready for the any kind of paid courses, there is also a free mini course, really foundations about trading, like really the core of to become successful in the Forex market. So that's it, guys. My name is Marin Riaz. It was my pleasure to talking with you, and may you be blessed and may you be successful in the next upcoming year. Stay well and may you be well. Take care and bye-bye.